Hey guys, this is Sid. Today my little brother Vikrama and I are going to read to you The Adventures of Haggis and Tank. This one is called Howl at the Moon.
Chapter 1. Castle Calling. Haggis was doing his afternoon stretches. He was enjoying some peace and quiet.
Ah, the warm sun, a soft breeze, the sweet sounds of nature.
A-goo, a-roo, ga-roo!
Tank was practicing her howl.
Tank, what are you doing?
I've always wanted to howl at the moon. Today's the day. A-goo-doo, oodle, roo!
You're howling at the sun, Tank.
I'm just warming up.
Take a break. You can read my book.
Thanks, Haggis.
Tank read the book. The book gave her an idea.
Come on, Haggis. We're going on a trip.
You can go on the trip. I'm going to relax.
You can relax on the plane.
The plane?
Yes, we're gonna fly.
Haggis did not want to fly.
I don't like planes.
Come on, Haggis. A Scottish castle is calling.
I've always wanted to visit a Scottish castle.
Well, now's your chance. Pack your bag.
Haggis packed his bag. Tank got the plane ready. Haggis climbed in.
Are you sure about this?
Positive.
Tank, have you ever flown a plane?
No, this will be my very first time. Isn't it exciting?
Haggis tried to escape, but it was too late.
Prepare for takeoff.
Let me out. Zoom.
Haggis and Tank zoomed down the runway.
Zoom.
Whoa.
A goodle oodle roo. Scotland, here we come.
They were flying! Chapter 2. Foggy Doggies. Tank loved being a pilot.
Tighten your seatbelt, Tank. The fearless flyer will perform some brand new tricks.
Wait.
Bottoms up.
Ah.
Loop the loop.
Ooh.
Flying made Tank hungry.
Is it just me, or does that cloud look like a cheeseburger?
She served some snacks.
Would you like a peanut butter pizza puff?
Crunch, crunch. Tank, just fly the plane.
Tank flew and flew and flew. Suddenly, the clouds turned dark.
Rough weather ahead.
This is why I don't like to fly.
The engine started to sputter.
Brup, 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 brup.
Uh-oh.
What?
I think we're out of gas.
Out of gas?
Brup. Yep, we're out of gas. Hang on to your hat.
Ah!
It was a bumpy landing.
Bump, bump, splat.
Haggis, we landed on the cloud.
We landed on a bog that's just fog.
Yum, tastes like ice cream.
Tank jumped out of the plane.
Sploosh.
Haggis climbed down the ladder.
It's so foggy.
Ribbit, ribbit.
And froggy.
The soggy dogs slogged through the foggy, froggy bog.
I hope we find the castle soon. I'm chilly.
Chilly.
Haggis checked the map.
I think we're lost.
Just then, Tank spotted something in the distance.
Haggis, the castle.
Good eyes, Tank. We almost missed it in the mist.
Haggis and Tank crossed the bridge to the castle. Tank knocked on the castle door.
Knock, knock.
The door creaked open.
Creak.
Chapter 3. Prince. Haggis and Tank stepped inside the castle.
It doesn't look like anyone's home.
Hello?
Hello?
Someone is home.
It's just an echo. Watch this. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Echo.
Hello, Echo.
Yodelay-hoo.
Yodelay-hoo.
A goodle-oodle.
A goodle-oodle.
Come on, Tank.
Haggis and Tank peeked into the dining room. The table was set for tea.
It's tea time, Haggis.
High tea in a real Scottish castle. This is a dream come true.
I'm thirsty. Why don't we have some tea?
Maybe just a small cup to warm us up.
Haggis poured the tea.
Sugar.
Thanks, that's sweet of you.
Haggis was happy.
A toast to Scotland and to high tea.
Hi, tea.
Slurp, slurp.
Bye, tea.
Tank was hungry.
I need a snack. Let's try some scones, Haggis.
I guess we could try one. Oh dear, somebody spilled the jam.
Strawberry.
Tank helped herself.
Tank. Tank. Tank!
Excuse me.
Are you finished?
Almost. One last crumb.
Just then, Haggis spotted a picture on the wall.
Tank, look. I wonder if that who lives here.
Prince Pantsalot. That's funny. He's not wearing pants.
Haggis and Tank went to find the prince.
Hello? Prince Pantsalot?
They found the library.
Look! Books!
Tank picked up a book.
Someone was reading this one.
Someone who left Jamie Prince.
Maybe they're Prince.
Tank read the cover.
This book is about werewolves.
It's just a made-up story. Werewolves aren't real.
Tank opened the book. There was a piece of paper inside.
What's that?
It's from the newspaper.
Beware, werewolf, spotted near Foggy Bottom Castle when the moon is full. Chapter 4. Who hooed? Tank was worried about the werewolf.
Maybe we should go home.
Tank, there's no such a thing as a werewolf. Besides, we're safe inside the castle.
I hope Prince Pantsalot is okay.
I'm sure he'll be back soon. Why don't you find a funny book to read?
Tank looked for a new book. She found a surprise.
Ooh, what's under there?
Underwear.
Click.
No, silly, there's no underwear, but there are bagpipes.
I've always wanted to play the bagpipes since I was a wee pup.
It's your lucky day. Try them out.
Haggis tried to play the bagpipes, but he couldn't make a noise.
You just need practice.
I just need a good night's sleep.
Haggis and Tank found a place to sleep.
Haggis, look. That night will protect us from the werewolf.
That's just a suit of armor. I bet a knight wore it to war.
They climbed into bed.
Good night, Tank.
Night, night, Haggis. Night, night, night.
Haggis turned out the light. Then Haggis and Tank heard a strange sound.
Hoo-hoo!
You-hoo, Haggis. Did you hoo-hoo?
I bark. I don't hoo-hoo.
If you didn't hoo-hoo, then who hoo-hooed? What if it's that horrible werewolf?
I have an idea. Why don't you go find out?
Woo! Woo!
I will.
Tank tiptoed toward the noise. Woo! Woo! She tripped.
Clatter,
Crash.
clang.
A sword soared across the room.
Zing!
Haggis, duck.
Woo! 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 Woo!
Thwack.
Haggis turned on the light.
Aw, you're not horrible. You're adorable.
Haggis and Tank climbed back into bed.
Mystery solved. Good night, Tank.
Night, night, Haggis. Night, night, night. Night, night, owl.
Soon, they heard a different sound.
Woo!
Don't worry, Tank. It's just the owl.
That wasn't in the owl. Owls don't howl.
Chapter 5. Where's the werewolf? The howling got louder. Haggis and Tank ran to the window.
Woo!
Haggis, look!
A full moon.
They saw the werewolf.
Woo!
A werewolf?
A scary werewolf.
The werewolf saw them.
A hairy, scary werewolf.
Hey, he looks a bit like Prince Pansalot. Prince Pansalot is the werewolf.
Let's get out of here. Duck in there.
There's no duck in here. This way.
That way.
That way.
This way.
Crash.
Haggis and Tank raced through the maze. The werewolf was right behind them.
Ow!
Hurry, Haggis.
Dead end.
Haggis and Tank dashed down a different path. Finally, they found a way out.
Phew, we made it through the maze.
That's amazing. Where's the werewolf?
He's still on our tails.
Tank spotted a boat in the moat.
Jump in, Haggis.
I hope it will float.
Haggis and Tank jumped into the boat.
Squark.
Tank. Squeoink.
Haggis,
Tank.
Blat. It's not me, Haggis. It's the bagpipes. They made a noise when I sat on them.
You sit on them, I'll play them. Maybe we'll scare the werewolf. Squark, weedly.
Woo, wow, woo!
He's still coming, and now he looks mad. Let's go.
Tank sat on the bagpipes and rode. Haggis played the bagpipes.
He's getting closer. Tank, roll faster.
I'm rolling as fast as I can.
Chapter 6. How to Howl. Suddenly, Tank stopped rowing. The moon shone down like a great glowing ball of cheese. It gave her a funny feeling.
Tank?
She threw back her head and she howled.
Oh, woo! Oh, woo! Woo!
The werewolf ran back to the castle.
Wow, Tank, your howl scared him away.
Woof. Did you hear that werewolf? He sounds sad. Wait a minute. We have his bagpipes.
That's why he was chasing us. We better give them back to him.
Tank threw the bagpipes to the werewolf.
Fling.
Woo! Thanks for
Letting us
borrow your
bagpipes.
The two friends headed toward a far-off light.
Haggis, are you there?
I'm here, Tank. Keep rowing.
Haggis and Tank were back in their own backyard.
It may not be a castle, but there's no place like home.
You're a great bagpipe player, Haggis.
Thanks, Tank.
Haggis, you don't think I'm a werewolf, do you?
No, Tank, you're not a werewolf, but you sure know how to howl.
Oh, woo!
The end. I hope you liked this video. Please hit that like button and crush that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the notification bell.